Okay, let's see what we have here. Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming back for another video on my channel. It's a little bit of time since my last video, but also in this time we got some bunch of new products, as you may see right here, and I have the chance now to introduce them to you. So we're gonna make a quick unboxing and also a small presentation and show off for the new devices, for the new hardware from TBS. I'm gonna start with the very first one. This one is a TBS 6205 SE. So this is a second generation terrestrial cable and terrestrial tool tuner. As you can see, there is the SE second generation tuner. As I said, what's different from the previous version of the 6205, the regular version, it's the new demodulators, which are coming from Sony. It's Sony 2CXD2878 demodulator and Sony CXD6802. The cards, they look pretty much quite similar. They are small size cards, so small size tuner. As you can see, this one is sealed, so I'm gonna unbox it here for you for the first time. We're gonna open it and we're gonna have a quick look. First things first, as you can see, there is it's a small facture card, and it's very nice because small facture actually it's very useful for Rack 1U servers. As I said, this is DVB T2 Lite, DVB T2 T and C. This is 6205 with the new, this is not the SE, this is the regular one, because this is only with the T2 T and C, cable, terrestrial 2 and regular terrestrial. There is and it's the light version. It's not the SE version. The SE version, though, this one also has similar demodulators, as I mentioned, the Sony demodulators. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one is not this one, the SE. I want the SE one. This is the SE one. Why I'm looking for the SE? The SE alongside this one already open. I made some tests with them. So this one is the, as you can see on the name of the PCB, it's 6205 SE. Now what's different? The difference between the previous one, it's this one, it supports T2, C2, T, C, ATSC 10 and ISDBT or ISDBC. Now this is a much more complex card, but the size, as you can see, compared to the previous one, it's pretty much the same. As I said, the demodulators are the difference between the two of them. Also, this one can do and can receive only and handle terrestrial 2, terrestrial and cable signal. That's why this is the T2 Lite. But this one here, the SE, can handle terrestrial 2, cable 2, terrestrial and cable, regular cable. Also, it can handle ATSC 1.0 and ATSC G83B and ISDBT-C signal. So as you may know, the ATSC, it's pretty much used in the US previously. Now I understand that there is ATSC 3.0. ISDBT-C is used in Brazil and Japan and a couple other countries. So these are the cable, terrestrial, and ATSC and ISDBT cards. I have here another one which is TBS 6910SE. Let's see, I think this one is the one with the CI. Yeah, this is the satellite card which is with double tuner. It's double tuner and with CI. As you can see, CI slots for adding cam modules. Cams which usually they are provided from operator. So what we have here, I told you this is the 6910SE. Also this one is using some Sony demodulator, the ones which I previously mentioned at the beginning of the movie. This card can do S2 and S2X as a reception protocol, and as I told you, it have CI slots. So 2 tuner CI slots, S2, S2 and S2X. Okay, and I have one more. Let's see. I think this one 6281SE. Let's see. It have, oh, it's empty. That's not a problem. Probably it's already used somewhere in one of my testing machines. The 6281SE, it's replacing the 6590 actually. Why? Because this one is able to receive terrestrial cable and terrestrial 2, and it also have, if I'm not mistaken, a CI slot. Okay, this is about the new tuners and the new demodulators and chips. On the other hand, I have here, as you can see, a little bit bigger box. I already opened it. So what we have here, this is a smart box actually. As you can see, what does it mean, this smart box? This is a TBS MOI smart box. Especially this version is the TBS 2925-1. -1 meaning that it has only one single PCI Express slot. So I'm gonna open the case because I already had a look inside. I couldn't stop myself to take a peek inside because I find this product very interesting from many points of view. Firstly, this is a product for dedicated, not just dedicated, but this is a very good product. Oh, it's already. I need to unscrew it. Doesn't matter. In the second part of the movie, I'm gonna unscrew it and I'm gonna show you. Meanwhile, I'm gonna do the presentation. So this one, it have one single PCI Express slot. What is interesting, this is a very cheap unit actually, and it is a ARM CPU with some RAM memory and some eMMC storage. But the interesting fact, this ARM board and CPU and stuff, it has a possibility to install PCI Express cards such as tuners, and you can use it as a streaming device. It has also HDMI output, 2 USB ports.